John was walking in the street, and suddenly met his friend, Foden, who was with his dog. He was the first time to see Foden's dog, which admired it very much, because of its strength. John talked to Foden for a while, and after finishing talking, John decided to take a photo with the dog. When he carried the mobile to take the photo, his admiration of the dog appears. So, Roy became very sad, and he felt that John didn't like him. When John saw Roy so sad, he understood that his admiration of Foden's dog made Roy like that. He decided to reconcile Roy, and thought how to reconcile him. John went to his house with Roy, knowing that Roy was very upset from him. After thinking about reconciling him, he decided to take Roy, and go to the animals cinema. When he went out with Roy, Roy was so hilarious about going out, and was excited. And he really felt that John loved him. They went to the animals cinema, and there, Roy was excited of what he saw.